Hi, that was my version of Love Me Two Times by The Doors, arranged for a 3-string cigar box guitar with frets. Fretless, you have to do it a little different. I'm tuned to E today. E, B, E. Alright, so the main lick, open on the low E, 3 on the middle, open on the low E, 5 on the middle. Tricky part, 5 on the low E, 3 on the middle, 5 on the middle. Lots of people just do another 0 instead of that 5, or they sort of mute it. I think I mess it up myself a lot. But if you can get it, that's what it is. And then you do 2 on the low, and you do what's called a trill, which is a really fast up and down. You don't really try to count it. So how much you do it will depend on how quick your fingers are. If you're a real beginner and you want to get that sound in your head, take your pick and hit it like this. Like that. Just to get the idea in your head, and then try to do it with your finger. Now we go to the 4 chord, which is A on the 5th fret, and we do an A chord, and then we do an A7. I think that's what I wrote in the tab. So it's a little clearer. He's doing that, but he's doing an octave higher with these nice thin little notes that we can't get, so I do it down there. And then we're back to lick 1. Do that a couple times, and then we go up to D7, 10, 10, 8. And we're going to do this 4 strikes 3 times. Then we're going to do a mute or a pause, whichever you prefer. Go down 2 frets, and we're going to hit C 5 times. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That sounds kind of weird, but in context it doesn't. I'll play it on context in just a second. Then we're going to now G twice, D7 twice, C7 twice, 8, 8, 6, and then B7 twice. Then back to the lick. So I'll play that part for you. So hopefully you got all that. As far as arrangement goes, when it goes into the solo, it's just sort of vamps without doing the fancy lick. It's just like, that's what I do with it anyway. Just like a normal 12 bar, and then when you get to this point, you do the G, D7, C7, B7. Like that. And I think the first time you go up, I go up to G up here, it sounds better. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the number of hits that you do, it's the same as before. There's a pause, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then you go 6. So it's pause 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how I count it anyway. So And it seems to work out every time. Okay, at the end of the song, it goes through another verse. It's pretty easy to follow, but at the very end of the song, it does the chorus 3 times. Like this tag, this line here. Does that again. And you end right after the 5th one. It's a real sharp ending. So you don't have to count that stuff yourself. It's always 5 and 6 or just 5. Fun song. Have a great day. Bye.